Today we're featuring a 2015 certified Honda CRV. All right, it's got 18,000 miles on it. It's got a clean Carfax, one owner. It's Basque red in color. We'll go ahead and walk around the vehicle with you. All right, it does have the lock unlock button here on the door handles. It does have the sunroof as well. It is an EX. Driver's side of the CRV is in great shape. It is an all-wheel drive. It's got your rear backup camera. Make our way down the passenger side. Everything looks really nice on the exterior of this CRV. Got your blind spot monitoring camera there, and we'll show you that in a second. Okay, it is a 2015, 18,000 miles on it. It is a certified unit. Okay, clean Carfax. Things in great shape. Got the gray and black door panels, power windows, power locks, power mirrors. Okay, it's got your power driver's seat with the gray cloth. Cloth's in good shape. Got your sunroof up here. Okay, it does come with the keyless entry key fob. Passenger seat is also in really good shape. No problems there. Got your HDMI, USB ports, and power outlet here in the center console. It is, it is equipped with heated seats. Got another power outlet there. It is an automatic push button start. Got your climate control area here. Backup camera and display screen will be here. All right, there's another display screen there. Does have steering wheel audio controls and Bluetooth. There's your blind spot monitoring button. We'll show you that when we turn it on. And then you got your Econ button here. Let's go ahead and take a look at the mileage. Okay, it's got 18,698 miles on it. Now that we've got it started, we'll go ahead and show you the display screens here. Got the date, the time here on this one. Okay, this is going to be your AM, FM, CD, and we'll get you back to your home screen here. Okay, going to have the display, the backup camera. Let me dim this down for you a little bit. Alright, AC's blowing cold, no problems there. Once again, that's your climate control center. Alright, let's go ahead and take a look in the back seat. Let's flip these headrests up. Okay. Back seat cloth looks good. A little bit of a stain right here. I don't know if you can see the outline of that. Okay, it's hardly noticeable. I just wanted to point that out to you. Other than that, the back seat cloth's in really good shape. Alright, it does have the center console that comes down with the cup holders. Give you the driver's eye view of the dash and the layout. Go ahead and take a look in the back. Carpet back here is in good shape. Does have the sunshade here. Okay, and the CRVs have two handles, one here and one here, and you simply pull the handle, and that's what's going to let your seats go down. Pull the handle here, seats go down. You can see how much that really opens it up back here. You can take the sunshade out as well. Really opens it up, and then these seats are light but durable. Come right up. No problem at all. Really easy and really light. Alright, and boom, you're back in. Seats are back in. Okay, and then here's that seat again. I wanted to show you. I don't really know. It kind of just has a line going on the seat right here. I don't know if it's quite a stain, but it does have an outline right here on the seat. Okay, you can hardly see that. Just want to point that out to you. Give you another perspective on that. Passenger seat. Okay, it's in really good shape. No issues at all there. Let's take a look at the wheels and tires. 17-inch alloys. Alright, tires are still in good shape. Alright, once again, this is a certified Honda CRV EX. It's got 18,000 miles on it. Clean Carfax, one owner. This thing's in great shape inside and out. Come down, check it out, take a test drive, and thanks for watching the video.